Hello, I'm Mike with Fuse in our San Jose office here by the span stand. This is very cool electric panel, so it can be used as a sub panel or electric panel. It's the panel of the future, and it is a smart panel. The good thing is you can connect many things to this panel. See it on your phone, all the energy consumption. You can turn on, turn off the breakers. And it does many things that, like hidden things. For example, it can see if your refrigerator stopped working, or before it even stopped working, it's gonna analyze the electricity, how much being used, and if there is any problem with the compressor, it might send you a notification that there is a problem with the refrigerator before it even stopped working. So you don't have any, instant surprises. So there's like lots of built-in things. This thing can be a good pair with the solar panels, batteries, EV chargers, because you can see the proper, precise consumption. You can see how energy is being used and so on. What's good about this panel is they give the rebates right now in Silicon Valley, so we can get about $2,000 rebates just for the span because it's a smart panel. It's a future, and more properties would use this panel because of the energy savings and full information that it would show to us. We do installation of these panels, and we are span authorized installers and technicians. So we install many of these panels. All the customers are happy with it. It's also very good looking, and as you can see, it has lots of space for the breakers. It uses the regular breakers, so you don't need to buy special breakers, and it has the full control of them. So we do this panel installation, and we can come out and provide you an estimate and do the full projects. And as you can see, there is a solar panel behind this because many people like to electrify their house and they want to put only the best components for that. So please reach out to us, and we'll be happy to give you an estimate and all more information about the span.